how to charge gas in a central AC plant. Someone from Indonesia. Okay. Module. I'll open this module for you. Now can you see this slide? This is for the refrigerant charging. But before we do the refrigerant charging, let me show you the setup for the vacuum process. Now, vacuum is called evacuation. Now, this is a system, this is a plant. It will have a service valve, right? And this is a manifold. The 3 points in the manifold. Center point goes to your refrigerant cylinder. This refrigerant must have a dipstick so that liquid only flows into the system. The right one goes to the vacuum pump and the left one goes to your service valve of the compressor. Here we have a straight ball valve and here is the vacuum pump. Sorry, micron gauge. This is the basic setup. Vacuum takes place. Now, let me run the slide for you. Slide show. Current slide. Now take a look at this. This will remain closed throughout the process. Okay. Step 1. Open V1. Right. It opens up. Step 2. Open this V2 compound gauge valve. This opens up. Step 3. Discharge gauge valve. Oh, this opens up. Right. Step 4. Open the service valve, SV, within Allen key, that opens up. Now start the vacuum pump. This will record the vacuum reading, and when it comes up to 500 microns, then stop the vacuum pump. Moment you stop the vacuum pump, then the vacuum begin to rise. But the maximum limit allowed to rise up to 500 microns. Only then, there's no leak. Now, let's take a look at this now. 10,000 now, 5,000, 1,000, 500. Now close this valve. Close this valve, right? Stop the vacuum pump. The vacuum will rise. If it does not exceed 500 microns, then it is okay. Then you close this valve and the vacuum process complete. Now the charging process starts. Take a look at this. The charging process V1 and V3 will be, sorry, back to this. Slide show, current slide. I would look at it again. V1, V3 will be closed throughout the process, right? Step 1. Note the weight of the cylinder, 5,000 grams. Okay. That is. Open V4, cylinder valve. The refrigerant begins to enter from here, via this, try this, and into the system. And this level will begin to fall. This is entering. The liquid level of the refrigerant will begin to fall. Take a look at it. Three. And this gauge will rise when it is 1,100 psig. Then start the machine, right? And regulate the amount of gas through this valve. Note the reading out here. When the amount of refrigerant is entered according to the requirement, then what you do? You close this valve. Third, close V4 and V2. This one. Then check the circuit of the gas charging. Okay. This is the complete setup and how the vacuum takes place and how the refrigerant is charged to the system. Okay. This is available in detail from our practical course, Central Energy Professional, Central Energy Plants, Model 13.